Okay, this is part 2 to remove and replace the expansion tank on my 2015 Mercedes ML350. Real fast. So, for those of you who don't know, 3-pointed star stands for, some of you know what it means, some of you don't. Mercedes makes so many different types of engines. For trucks, for planes, for helicopters, for cars, you name it. Boats. So the 3-pointed star actually stands for earth, sky, and water. Just a fun tidbit. So back to this here. So after removing those 2 screws, it was totally wasteless because I've just discovered that you can see this whole thing pulls off. So I'm using this funny tool and it looks like it's just going to pull up. Yep, there it goes. Okay, so it just pulls up. Hopefully there's nothing under here that I need to worry about, like an electrical wire that I'm going to get electrocuted by. So I'm so afraid of breaking something. I can now easily access that screw that is the only screw that holds this thing in place. And I'm going to put these other things back because they clearly did not, they were not necessary to be removed. And probably the other thing wasn't necessary either, but let's see. I put those 2 bolt heads back because clearly didn't need. And it appears I didn't need to use the 8mm for that, just the rocket one on this side to loosen up this part of the cowl so you can see what's going on, just to have access to that. So now I'm going to put together the pump to get the antifreeze out of here. Okay, the next step is to put together this battery operated siphon pump. So I have an empty container of distilled water. It's empty, so I can siphon the antifreeze into it. And you have to use a special antifreeze. And so this should be simple. I just unscrew this and put some D batteries in, and we'll see how it goes. Car's still warm, so I'm probably gonna have to wait till tomorrow to finish this. So, because I don't want to lose any screws before I finish this job, etc. And I'm doing the smart thing now. Instead of using that little wrench, I'm using this socket to put this 8mm bolt back in place. So, because I clearly don't need that in order to do the job. Okay, so this was the second video on replacing the expansion tank, and you can see this as far as I've gotten. I haven't done any fuel because I'm feeling the hoses and they're just a little warm and the sun is setting, and I don't want to do this in the dark. Plus, because I'm an amateur at this, I want to think about what I've been doing and take it from there. So I'm put all this stuff in the front seat, and then tomorrow morning I will be finishing this on this 2015 ML350, and at GNS Motors.